Hello guys, in today's video we're going to perform a dryer vent cleaning. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do these repairs. If your dryer is taking 2 times or 3 times to dry, you probably have an issue with the dryer vent. So the first thing you're going to do is get behind the dryer and check this flexible line that goes from the dryer to the attachment in the wall. First thing you're going to look is for kinks or anything that is preventing the hot air to go in the vent. So always disconnect the appliances to work in any situation. Now the first thing we're going to do is remove the vent from the dryer and try to inspect the duct to see if there's any lint accumulating in this flexible line. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and use this dryer vent tool, which you can find this on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description of this video. This tool is inexpensive and you can get it in Amazon for like $35, $25, depends on the brand or the kind that you are looking for. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the brush inside the vent, and we're going to go ahead and attach the vacuum in this tool. After that, we're just going to go ahead and put the sticks one by one until it reaches the roof in this case. If your vent goes in the other side of the wall, you probably only need at least one stick to perform this dryer vent cleaning. As you see, because this is a flexible line, I go back and forth to be able to clean the lint from the vent walls. The good thing about this brush is that when you fish it in, it will remove all the lint, dust, and anything that is on the vent walls all the way to the roof. So you will put one stick at a time until it reaches the other side, which in this case, like I mentioned before, it goes to the roof. Once you hit and nothing goes any further, you will go up in the roof or in the other side of the wall. Again, if you have a ladder, you need to go up in the roof, but either way, take all the precautions, because if you go up in the roof, you can get hurt or you can fail. As you see in this footage, I'm just attaching the sticks one by one, and then I just fish it in with my other hand and pushing the drill forward. Here I'm doing it again, and I'm just leaving every footage, that way you guys understand everything that I'm doing on this video. Once you got it on the drill, I'm quite sure if you decide to do these repairs, you know how a drill works, how you put the attachments on the drill and how to tighten it on the drill. That's very self-explanatory. Pretty much everybody can do that. However, to loosen the sticks, you will notice that I don't put the drill in reverse. I just do it with my hand, because if I put the drill in reverse, it can lose some of the sticks inside the vent, and that we will have an issue there, because it's going to be hard to get this line and that brush from the actual vent inside the pipe. As you see, if you haven't paid attention, go ahead and notice that to loose and remove the drill from the stick, every time I'm going to put another one, I don't put it in reverse. I just use my hand to get it loose, because I will not put it in reverse due to the fact that, like I said before, if I put it in reverse, some of the other sticks can get out, and you just saw it right there. Okay, so just pay attention on everything that I'm doing step by step to do this dryer vent cleaning the right way. And as you see, I think I'm already hitting the end and the other side. And here is where it doesn't go anymore, and I'm going in the roof. Here's my ladder, and here is the P-trap. We call this a P-trap, and as you can see, the P-trap is full of lint, and this is kind of hard lint. That means it's been wet and it's not going anywhere, and it's all hard and stuff. Now I'm going to leave you a footage on the top left on the screen, and you can see we have a different scenario. This is from another dryer vent cleaning repair, and in that situation we have a grill that is full of lint. That was from another repair, so that's why I record every dryer vent cleaning repair, because in every one will have a different situation. Now, to get the line out, I still have my drill on clockwise. Like I said, never put the drill in counterclockwise because the line can get loose inside the pipe. And I still have it on while I'm pulling it out. That way, when it's coming back out, it still removes any residual lint that is on the pipe walls. Now, once you do that, while you have everything in hand, go ahead and remove the first stick, because you will need about 2 or 3 feet of line to clean the vent and the actual dryer, as you see in this footage. Now just trying to put it the best you can, because you know this is just a pipe that goes inside the dryer, and you're gonna see why I do this. The same way the dryer vent is full of lint, this piece will be full of lint as well, or even more. So this is part of a different situation, which we call it a dryer maintenance, and you're supposed to do this once a year. It's all recommended dryer vent cleaning once a year because it's a fire hazard. So keep in mind that if you don't do this, the dryer can overheat and the thermostat will get damaged, or you can actually get a fire because of a dryer lint creating an overheating inside the dryer, and sometimes the same lint will start a fire. Now, here's the link in the description of this video, and here's a footage of how much roughly this dryer vent cleaning kit is worth in Amazon. Once you do that, go ahead and put the clamp back in the dryer with the vent and make sure it's secure. And at this point, we're pretty much done. Thanks for watching.